1966 penny value. The 1966 Lincoln penny saw a mintage of 2,188,147,783 pieces, making it a highly common coin. However, even this coin, available in plentiful quantities, has become scarce in pocket change these days. Why is that? It's because these old pennies are made from a bronze composition consisting of 95% copper and 5% zinc. Copper is a semi-precious metal that has increased in value during recent decades. The amount of copper in a Lincoln cent is worth about twice its face value, so it's worth saving all of your copper pennies from 1966 because they're technically worth two times face value. A 1966 penny is worth about 2 cents even in worn condition. A typical uncirculated 1966 penny is worth around 10 to 20 cents a piece. The most valuable 1966 penny to have ever sold at auction was graded MS67RD by Professional Coin Grading Service and took $6,463 in a 2012 auction.